What's up, tribe? Welcome to D Jones's Corner. Here we are with another video with Natasha. You may have heard her a couple times in our last challenges with AJ and we brought her up a couple times. Yes, I do name my motorcycles and cars. It is what it is. So, this is Natasha. Natasha, meet the tribe. We are gonna go ahead and put the new push windscreen on. Yes, I'm a little nervous about it. Before we go any further, kind of give you guys a little bit of a detail. So I got Natasha back in July of 2019. I got lucky. I found a small dealership that was associated with BMW, and she was sitting on the showroom floor. I traveled probably about 7 hours to get to her and picked it up, trailered back, and here she is. So I live in a state where winter is not the best. So haven't been able to ride her, but the times I've had, she has about 1,700 miles on her. I have done 3 recalls already for her. I mean, at the end of the day, it's probably one of my favorite bikes that I've ever owned. I just came from a Suzuki. Don't get me wrong, I love the Gixxer Life. That was my bike. And for your guys' knowledge, her name used to be Tatiana, but we'll cover her ears. So anyways, this is Natasha. We're gonna go ahead and put on the windscreen, the double bubble windscreen. I don't know, it's different. It's not your slim look. It's a little bit more bulkier. I'm still kind of in a rocky situation with it. We'll hook it up. We'll go ahead and throw that on. Also, we have our tank protectors that we are throwing on as well. So hang tight. Let's get this going. Y'all let me know what you think. Boom. All right, y'all. So here it is. It's different. Like I said, it's not your slimness look. Let's go and throw this on and we'll see how it looks when we take it off. There's only about 4 screws that we gotta undo. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. There's rubber mounts on all 4 of them just to keep it from rattling. So we need to make sure we save those. But let's get it on. That way you guys see what it looks like and then go from there. Real quick, I use Honda polish. I don't discriminate. Honda polish, I feel, is the best polish out there in the market. I've been using Honda polish for years. Just take a moment, clean it up. Get all the dirt, the existing dirt. The rubber piece I was talking about. Make sure y'all keep them. Also, keep in mind there's a little plastic washer on there. Try not to break it. I wouldn't do it too tight because you don't want to, 1, break it or crack it. 2, you don't want to lose it, so it has to be just right. To expect, this is what we got. Tank grips, of course, it's a must. let's go and throw them on. Let's see what it looks like. So, just so y'all know, gave it some stickers. Throw those on the toolbox. They gave us some cleaning wipes. I'm kind of particular what I put on my bike, just especially with the paint. So I'm gonna just go ahead and use the Honda polish. I've always used it. I've done it on all my other bikes. So I've already added the polish. Whatever you do, guys, don't freelance it. I'm comfortable. I've done it numerous times. It's almost like putting a screen protector on a brand new phone. So I feel comfortable. I've done it, but it's your choice. It comes with instructions. It says trace it on a piece of paper before you do it, so you see what it looks like. I'm pretty comfortable. So do at your own risk. All right, so all finished. Here's the final results. So that's what it looks like. The tank grips. I'll put the link where I got them from in the description of this video. But yeah, not too bad. I mean, you can also tell me how I screwed it up, but there you go. Well, until next time, I'll see y'all soon. If you're new to the channel, aka Tribe, make sure you subscribe, ding that bell, and I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.